guys, I haven't spoken to you yet, so good morning. Although it's actually 1 o'clock right now, so I kind of had like a late morning. I had kind of a rough day yesterday, so I wanted to just like take today to slow down and do a little bit of self-care. So I made this delicious lemon ginger tea this morning. I'll link the recipe down below. So I'm actually really craving cookies right now because I just ate lunch, but I want something sweet. So I'm gonna bake these walnut chocolate chip cookies. I found a recipe online and I'm really excited. So I'm probably gonna have the recipe because I don't want to make too many cookies. But yeah, we're just gonna bake cookies. I'm doing a face mask right now, obviously. Well, almost dropped my phone. Doing a face mask. This is the Skin Food Black Sugar Honey Mask. One of my favorite masks of all time, to be honest. It's just like super moisturizing, very hydrating, great for dry skin. Even normal skin and oily skin, you can benefit from it too, because honey is one of my favorite ingredients of all time. I'm actually working on a video right now about my like top 5 favorite skincare ingredients, and so I don't want to spoil it, but honey is definitely one of those. So I'm going to get to baking. Well friends, I was gonna go running, but it is pouring outside, like pouring rain, like torrential rain. I actually just painted my nails, which I'm super happy about because they were looking really bad. I hadn't done them for a long time. So with like quarantine and everything going on, I just did that myself. It's just like a normal manicure. I didn't do gels or anything. I don't do gels or acrylics. I think they're really harmful to your nail bed, so I don't do them. Anyway, it's pouring rain. I'm gonna get a little bit of work done. I know today was going to be like a self-care day for me, but I need to get some work done. Good morning, guys. It's the next day and it's actually a very gloomy, rainy day today. Yesterday it rained a fair amount in the afternoon and actually poured rain at one point. But it was sunny in the morning, so I felt like pretty good. But today when I woke up, it was like dark outside, so that like kind of sucks. But I'm going to take you through my morning skincare routine. I've talked about these products before, so they're nothing new, but I am going to talk about some fourth-rate beauty stuff if you want to see my full thoughts on a bunch of products that I tried out from the range. I will link my review of Fourth Rate Beauty in the info box for you to go check out. But I have 2 products from Fourth Rate Beauty and then 1 from CosRX, so let's just dive right in. So the first thing I'm going to do is cleanse my skin using the Fourth Rate Beauty AM to PM gel cleanser. I was like, what is this called? So all I'm going to do is wet my face, apply a small amount to my hands, lather, and then cleanse my skin. This cleanser smells so good. It smells so refreshing. I actually really love this cleanser. There were some products from Fourth Rate Beauty that I did not like, but this one is definitely up there in terms of like one of my favorite products from Fourth Rate. Now I'm going to go into the Fourth Rate Beauty Waterfall Gentle Tonic. This has like hyaluronic acid and a bunch of like fruit extracts and cucumber water, so it smells amazing. It smells like literal cucumbers, just like super refreshing and just like fresh. And beyond that, it's also super hydrating without being too sticky and too moisturizing and emollient on the skin. So I find that when the weather is like quite humid outside, which it is right now because it's like raining and it's hot outside, I like to use a little bit lighter skincare. These are the Shiseido cotton pads, by the way. I swear by these. They're just like super soft, very gentle, non-abrasive. So I'm going to apply a couple drops of the toner on my cotton pad and start swiping it. Whoops. Start swiping it all over my skin. And it really just provides like really beautiful light hydration. Gonna let that dry a little bit. And now that my skin has been hydrated. I'm going to go in with SPF, obviously. Even though I literally don't plan on leaving the house today and it is overcast and very dark and raining outside, I still wear my sunscreen. This is so incredibly important. Even if you stay at home, which we should all be staying home right now, you should still wear your sunscreen. This is the CosRX Aloe Soothing Sun Cream. I talked about this in my March favorites video, so if you want to know a little bit more, I did talk about it in there. Oh no, I'm running out. But I have a bunch of new tubes to go through, so that's okay. Don't forget your neck. Now, this is like a thicker, like lotiony feeling, like moisturizer feeling sunscreen. So I find that the 2-finger rule doesn't really work well for me with this particular sunscreen. But it's still one of my absolute favorite sunscreens because it's just like really moisturizing, really hydrating. But it still provides really great coverage in terms of SPF protection, and it doesn't leave a white cast, which I think is super important. For anyone that has like darker skin, I know that a lot of sunscreens can turn your skin purple or blue or like really ashy, so it's really important to find like a really good sunscreen that doesn't have a white cast to it so that you're motivated towards sunscreen, because I know like if you have a sunscreen that makes you look purple, you're not gonna want to wear it. All right, so that is my morning skincare routine complete. It was only 3 steps: cleanser, serum / toner, and sunscreen. So those are just what my skin is happiest with. I'm gonna continue with my day now. I think I'm gonna make a matcha because I'm really craving like a little bit of energy right now because it's so gloomy outside. So I'm gonna make a matcha and I will take you with me. Okay, so we're gonna make our matcha latte. So I have hot water, I have my matcha, oat milk, ice, and honey. So the first thing that I do is I take my matcha, and the brand that I use is the Republic of Tea. I don't know if all matcha is created equal, but I have found no difference between this one and some other matcha that I've been using. So I take, you know, a decent amount, plunk it in there. I honestly don't know what the official way to make matcha is. I know you're supposed to use like a bamboo chasen thing, but I don't have one of those. So I'm gonna add some hot water, just a little bit. And then I'm gonna use a milk frother to blend it all up. So I'm making an iced matcha latte, and if you know anything about solubility and chemistry, is that solubility decreases as the temperature decreases as well. So if you want to sweeten your matcha latte, you best do it while the ingredients are still hot. So at this point, I will grab my honey and I will add a little bit of honey to the matcha and hot water. And then I stir to dissolve the honey. It smells so good. Then I'm gonna add my ice. And then finally, I add the oat milk. And it's so pretty and it's so easy and it tastes so delicious and it's so good for you. Matcha has like so many health benefits. It has L-theanine, which is great at regulating stress. And then beyond that, matcha has a ton of antioxidants, so it's also really great on that front. I did a video like a long time ago about the topical benefits of applying matcha to your skin. It's a very old video though, it probably needs to be updated. But I'm gonna sign off here. Thank you guys so much for watching and spending this time with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a beautiful week though, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.